Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can recover your Facebook account. So it's pretty simple. First thing is you want to go to the login page of your Facebook. So I'm using my Facebook app as you guys can see. So once you're in the login page, instead of just trying to log in into your account, click on forgot password. Once you do that, it's going to ask you to enter your mobile number or email. Now whichever thing did you use when you create your Facebook account. I used my email, so I will enter my email. But if you used your mobile number, you need to enter the mobile number, alright? So after entering your email or mobile number, click on find account, and if an account under this email or user under this email or phone number exists, it's going to show you. So as you guys can see, my account does exist. That's why it's showing me this. Now what I can do is just click on continue, and basically I just logged in into my account, which means I just recovered my accounts. Alright, so that's how you guys can recover your Facebook account if you forgot your password. And once you're inside your Facebook, you can literally just change your password by doing this. Click on your menu, click on setting at the top, and just go on where it says see more in account center, which is in blue color. Over here click on password and security, click on change password, and from over here choose Facebook, and then just enter your current password and enter your new password to change it. And if you don't remember your current password, click on forget password to change your password into a new one without entering the older or the current password. So that's how you guys can recover your Facebook account. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.